Hi everyone, I am Santosh, a stock trader from Reliance. Today we are going to talk about the company who is the leader among the mutual fund registrars. Can you guess who it is? A thumbs up if you guessed correctly. Yeah, today we are talking about CAMS. Check out a full video to get to know in detail. CAMS, a computer age management services, came into existence in the year 1988. Anuj Kumar is the current CEO. It operates in more than 280 locations across India. Its headquarters is located in Chennai. It was started by V. Shankar as a startup in the area of software development and computer education. When Indian financial services went through the renaissance in the period 1990 to 2007, the company took an advantage on a technology and a networking to facilitate their business. CAMS elevate into today what we call as a platform-based services to the Indian financial industries. Let's go through the service offered. They were providing services for the mutual funds under banking and non-banking institutions. For the mutual funds, they were providing a service on IT services like transaction acceptance and transaction tracking using a MyCAMS portal, brokerage computation and payout, dividend issuance and document managementation. And the service offered to the banking and non-banking financials were includes account opening related services and KYC verification and validation and pre and post loan approval for NBFC and housing finances and few more. Coming to the subsidiaries, it has two biggest subsidiary as number one CAMS repository and a CAMS FinServ. A CAMS repository is got licensed from Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India IRDAI to provide services on insurance repository services. FinServ CAMS FinServ is got approved from the Reserve Bank of India to provide a service of account aggregation services which includes a safe sharing of a financial information with the authorized user in the electronic form. Rivalries of CAMS have a biggest appearance. I listed few of them here, which include AMC Business, 3i Infotech, Carvi, and NIIT Technology. One good thing is, apart from AMC Business, none of them were listed on the stock exchange so far. We have a financial performance of CAMS from 2017 to 2020. When comparing the net income before taxation from 2017 to 2020, CAM's profitability stood 18.3% when compared to the previous year. Apart from other factors, a debt-free company balance sheet has lifted a company in maintaining a healthy profitability. While looking at the biggest shareholders of CAMS, the number one position was occupied by Great Ryan with a 43.5% stake in the company, followed by NSEIL with a 37.53% of stake in the company, then followed by HDFC Bank and HDB Trust and few others. Let's dig more about this IPO information. CAMS is all set to hit the Dalal Street with a 2,242 crores of market valuation. It comes up with a fixed price range 1,229 to 1,230 rupees. Investors can invest on this stock with the minimum 12 shares or in multiple. Subscription is open from 21st September to 23rd, that is from tomorrow. CAMS is likely to list on a IPO, list on a stock exchange on October 1st. Check the description below to know where to subscribe for this IPO and where to check the status of allotment. Many analysts were positive with this IPO since there was no listed peers. Sustainable profit growth is expected. So, as an LT advice, we do recommend you to conduct your own research on this IPO before directly getting into the stock. With this, let's wrap up the today's session. If you find the contents was interesting, please hit the thumbs up button and do share and subscribe for our channel for more updates. Let's catch up on the next video. Until then, stick around. Bye.